Petroware MICR application eliminates the cost of pre-printed check stock. A simple procedure just takes a few minutes per bank and you are ready to go. With our efficient software, simply put the blank check stock in the printer and go. It's easy and secure. Let's take a look at the MICR application.
The MICR bank definition screen is located here under the GL System Utilities. There is only one screen for the setup of MICR, which makes it quite easy. To start the setup process, you will click New, and you will get a list of banks that you have already set up within Petroware. You will choose the bank that you currently want to set up with MICR check printing. Once you have it selected, you have several options. First, you can set up an administrator user ID and password, which means that the only person that can edit this screen is the administrator. You can also set up a primary and alternate user ID, and that means that when MICR checks are being printed, the persons that are set up have to have a password for printing rights. There are several advanced options for MICR. You can choose to suppress printing void checks. You can print your MICR check first. You can choose 2 signature lines when the amount is greater than or equal to a determined amount, or no signature printed when the amount is greater than or equal to a determined amount. You can choose to print the company name on the check stub, void after a certain amount of time, or suppress the signature line altogether. The check number, routing number, and account number are all mandatory fields, and you can get all of these numbers off of your check. The MICR codes are also found on your check, and they can be input into this screen using these 4 boxes here. We give you options of vertical and horizontal alignment for your MICR codes. You want to put in your ABA fraction number, and we also give you options to print signatures. You can choose no signature, or you can choose to load actually 2 signatures. Right now I have Avatar loaded in here. When you do load a signature, it shows here for you. You click on this pencil, and that's actually how you can choose load, and you'll see it in the blue box here. You want to put in your bank name and address, and then you have the option of putting in your company name and address. You can put it in as text, or you can choose to put in your company logo by clicking on this computer and loading in your company logo. Once you choose to use your company logo and hit OK, then it will show here for you. You can validate and make sure that all validations check out, that your MICR codes and everything else are fine, and you can actually do a test print check. And that's as easy as it is.
Eliminate the risk of fraud and other security issues and increase your productivity with the powerful, secure, and easy-to-use Petroware MICR application. Contact Avatar Systems today.